Tell me why Groove Cruise puts the themes out last summer and it's the day before I leave and I'm just packing. Welcome to my life. Year 11 for Groove Cruise. We're trying on outfits, fly out tomorrow. The You Are the Universe theme. We had to bring this bitch back. This is what I created for Halloween 2016 when I went out in New York City. So it's all hand painted solar system. And I will be putting battery powered lights around it. And then the sun is me, obviously, brightest star in the system. Keep moving the mic away, my bad. But yeah, so this is very Groove Cruise, by the way, very Halloween crafty, like going over the top. So definitely going to be wearing this, but then I do have a backup for the after hours for when I'm like over wearing this for a few hours. This is the backup for when I get over that other costume, because it's really the only costume I have that's like handmade that I probably won't last in that long. So I had this from the Area 69 theme. Get in, loser, we're doing butt stuff. It's one of those things, if you know, you know, if you don't, you don't. But we got options with all the alien earrings. Very comfortable for the afters once I want to change out of that other option I showed you. This is what I have for Welcome to the Jungle. Got my little whip to whip all the Groove Cruise animals in shape. I think we're going to roll with this, but I do have a second option, so let me show you what I have for that. This was my original idea for the Welcome to the Jungle. It's the retired LOM print. It's like a tropical, vibrant jungle palm theme. And I have this like wavy type of skirt that I wore last year, but I think I'm definitely going to go with the first one that I showed you just because I'm feeling that vibe a lot more. And I think I'm going to reuse this for a different theme this year. Dancing Through the Decades. There's a lot of options for this one, but once again, I want to go comfort. So kind of got the whole graffiti, vintage, like almost like break dancer type vibe going on, I guess you could say. Deep fake hat. Don't really know what else I'm going to throw on with this, but this is what we're going with for now because that's what I got. All right, this is the one new look that I bought, and it's for a combo of two themes for day 3. So the Groove Racers theme and 50 Shades of Nintendo. Honestly, 50 Shades of Nintendo could have been like so off the hook for me, but I just didn't have time to construct anything. So lots of times with these themes, you end up getting so tired and you don't make it to all of them. You have to sleep at some point. So like I decided to do a combo in case, you know, I'm up for the day or in case I'm up at night or like a little bit of both. So this is New Freedom Ravewear. It's obviously checkered like a racer. It's a kind of one-piece, two-piece bodysuit. Absolutely love it. Might put like a belt on here. Also have the Super Nintendo little charms necklace. So hopefully you could see that. And checkered earrings. I got little checkered scrunchies. I don't know which way I'm going to wear my hair. And this is like one of my hats that I've had forever that kind of like I wore it for a Mario costume once. So kind of have like all the elements of the Super Mario Brothers IKEA. But very excited to wear this. The Naughty Nautical theme is day 4 and the beach party day, which honestly, I've always struggled getting off the boat. So with it being day 4, like, is that even going to happen? I'm thinking about bringing this back. I made it for the fantasy theme in 2014. I just don't know if I honestly feel like dealing with all this shit. You guys, like, I'm so about the comfort. Like, I'm so about the comfort now. So I think if anything, it's just going to be my naughty girl tank top with my bathing suit, black bathing suit, wavy skirt, beach vibes, some type of beach hat, something. Because I don't know. I don't know if I can handle this. Honestly, yes, this is it. This is the vibe. Minus the socks, just some sandals, chilling on the beach because I'm going to be like struggling at that point, I feel like. So, Naughty Nautical, Naughty Girl OG, GC tank top, bathing suit, done. Honestly, don't even know if I'll be in the whole frame with these platforms on, but Captain's Jubilee, a celebration, 20 years. This was my idea. This was my thought process. The jacket might be a little much. I ripped the liner the last time I wore it to a festival. I wore it to Electric Forest. Let me see. I'm wondering if I could like do without it. Like this might just work. Or I have like another furry jacket I'm bringing. I don't know. I think this is going to be like one of those decide on board. Might end up in like pajamas type of thing for the closing party for the John Summit Marathon set. I don't even know what I'm wearing for Represent either. So that I made might be more the vibe. The furry coat. I don't know. All right, that's it for reals.